Okay, families, I found a few things that some of us aren't doing, so I'm going to review with you what you should do every morning. So, the first thing you're going to do when you open your Canvas is it's going to look like this, and you will do the daily check in. You click it, you click the blue tab, and then you find your child's name and you let them tell how they're feeling, and then you click the tab and close it. Go back to home. Then you're going to go to your agenda for the week. I'm going to do Friday. You're going to click Friday. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to have our Google Meet at 8:10 a.m. You click that and you'll join me for the Google Meet if you can. If you cannot, that's perfectly fine. I will be trying to link the activities here so that you can watch it if you didn't get to see it live. After that, you should read the objective of what they're going to be doing today to them. So that way they know what they're expected to learn. That's what I would do in class. So I need you to do that. I can make a graph of class favorite shapes. So if you join me live, they'll be doing that live with me. If not, you'll click here. There will be a link here and you will do that activity. Then the next thing you do is you will do the video. Do not skip ahead and do Seesaw and not watch the video. The video often or always is going to be instruction that they're going to need. So it's important that they watch the video. So I would click this. I'm going to watch this video. And I'm going to learn about shapes. And then when I have finished this video, then it tells me to go to Seesaw and complete this activity. So I see this picture and I see what it looks like. So as a student, then I'm going to go to Seesaw on the left. And then you would obviously do I'm a student. I'm not going to do that because I don't have, well, I can. So then you'll do the code and you'll get in. So I'm going to go back. So when you go into Seesaw, look for this activity. Okay? And that's the one you do then. You don't do the other activities right now because we're only focusing on math. And you don't have to go in order, but make sure you do everything in math. Then go to a new subject. So when you come down to reading, if it's not 11:05, you can go ahead and do these things and just join me 11:05 later. So in print concepts, I can identify a word and a space. Oh, look, this is the video that goes with that. So you tell them, I can identify a word and a space. That's what you're going to learn. That you know what a word is and you know what a space is. Click the video, watch the lesson that I have recorded for you, and you will, at the end, they should know the difference between a word and a space. Then you're going to tell them, you are going to learn to identify the letter C and write it correctly. You're going to come down, you're going to do your letter C lesson, watch that video. I can see on my YouTube channel how many people are watching the videos. So if your kids are not watching these videos, they're not getting the instruction piece. So please make sure that you are having them watch the video, get the instruction that they're going to be needing. And then you will tell them, I know 3 ways to read a story. Use the pictures, read the words, act it out. Watch the read aloud video. Then when you have finished those 3 lessons, watching and listening, you can come down and do your letter C choice board. So when you click on this, you're going to go to number 1, or they can do it in any order. It doesn't matter, but I'm just going to start here. I'm going to go to Starfall. They're going to do this activity. You just click this. It'll take you straight to the activity that you're going to do. You're going to watch a little video about letter C. Click out of that. Then you're going to come here. You're going to watch a YouTube video. There's 2 different activities on this one that you're going to do. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to learn how to draw a carrot. Okay, then you could do the read aloud You're going to listen to the story, Creepy Carrots. That's why you're learning to draw a carrot, because the character in this story is a carrot. Then you're going to come here and you're going to watch the YouTube video about how to make a C. You're going to follow those instructions. You're going to do that. You're going to do it on paper. And then you will go to Seesaw for more learning. So when you get here, you won't actually do anything. But each of these, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all have activities. You click and you go to those links. When you get to Seesaw, you can click out of this. And and then there's no Seesaw activity, or I would have it linked here. So nothing that you need to do there. Okay, so then you come down and you'll go to writing. I can draw a character in the story. That was what you did on the choice board, was drawing a character in the story and writing the letter C. That was on your choice board. That's why down here on the assignment it tells you that you find those on the letter C. So when you finish this choice board, you will have done the writing. I did add about the writing handwriting poems to help them also. So right here, you can see where it says handwriting poems, and you can click those, and those will help you to remember how to make the letters. So then you'll just go on down and you'll go to science. You're going to tell them you're going to learn to identify which body part uses each of my 5 senses. You'll click this and watch it, click this one and do it, and then you have an assignment in Seesaw, and this is the way it's going to look. If you skip these 2 pieces, this is in the instruction, the learning part. That would be like if I had them come to school and I just gave them a piece of paper and didn't give them any instructions or teach them what they needed to do. So we've got to make sure and do the watch piece, so that you're making sure that they have the instruction. Then you'll come down to social studies. On Friday, it's going to be the Google Meet, and I will put the link here. And we will do the activity together. So again, just please make sure you're doing the watch pieces, because that is the instruction, so that they may do the assignment to show what they learned. If you're just doing the assignment, then they're not getting the instruction, so that they should be able to do it on their own. Also, when they're in Seesaw and they're doing this activity, you can tell them, what they need to be doing, but don't tell them the answers. If they've seen the watch piece, they should be able to be successful doing the assignment. That's how I'm going to know, oh yeah, they know their 5 senses. I don't need to reteach that. But if you're doing and telling them the answers, then I'm not going to know if they've managed to learn that, or if it's just because you could tell them the answers. So again, thank you for helping all your kids, and I just felt like we kind of needed to go over that to make sure we're getting the lesson piece in, not just doing the assignments.